guys, welcome back. Today we're making some mini chocolate pecan pies. I'm really excited. I think these are going to be delicious. So let's get baking. We're going to start with 3 cups of flour. Into that we're going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1½ sticks of margarine, and 3/4 cup of shortening. We're going to pulse this until the fat is combined and it's in little balls in the flour, and then we're going to add in an 1/8 or a 1/4 cup of water to this, and then you'll just let this go until all the dough is combined. Now we will turn out the dough into a floured bowl and we'll roll this together until it's not sticky to touch, and then we will chill this until the dough is firm. Once the dough is firm, we're going to cut it into 6 parts, and on a floured surface we're going to roll this out. I don't have an exact measurement of how wide or long the dough will be, but I just rolled it until it looks like it'll fit in the pan. For our filling, we're going to be using 4 eggs, 3/4 cup plus a 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/4 cup of light corn syrup, and we're going to blend this together until it's combined and add 1/3 cup plus 1/2 tablespoon of melted margarine, and then we'll blend this again. And now with 1 3/4 cups of chocolate chips, we're going to add in the filling. And we'll also add in 1 cup of pecans. It can be either whole or halves, and then we'll mix this in together before adding it to our pie shells. Now we're going to bake these at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes until set. If your oven runs hotter, I would suggest 350 degrees. So here's the final product. It is a lovely little mini pecan pie, and I'm really excited to try it because it has so much chocolate chips in it. It's very chocolatey, which I love. Ooh, the pecans are like sort of soft. I love this. I've never had pecan pie before, but I really like this. So that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe to see more baking videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I just put, no, give me a Christmas present.
I give you a hug.
You ask me if you want some dessert right after we're done recording.
But I did just buy you your Christmas present.
Okay.
How dare you? You know what? You don't get it.
No. What is it?
I can't tell you. Hi, Channel. Hi, Channel. Hi, Channel. Hi, Channel. Hi, Channel. Hi, Channel.
Just say in the voiceover that it's hard to deal with.
It's soft.
And it's very depressing and unsatisfying.
And I'm quitting YouTube. Take it away. Alright. I made a knife appear out of thin air.